TOXXIC rides out here at Session Fest 2023. Got some hot footage for you guys. Check it out. Like and subscribe to the channel. We gonna get into it. Yes, sir.
And if you already don't support or follow TOXXIC Garage, make sure you click that subscribe button today. You're gonna see yourself on that camera. You're gonna see yourself on that channel. Shouts out to TOXXIC Garage, putting on for the city, putting all that work. And he goes other places too, but we know he putting on. Shouts out TOXXIC Rides.
Yeah. Your P Bad is a con artist, slash, rap artist, slash, rip mics the hardest, slash, run up in your spot, take your profit, walk, never dash, talk but never ask any questions, I teach a lesson, learn the sport, P Bad a gold medalist, making cats sprint like Mo Green with that metal shit, girls on my cock, take my balls and pedal it, player hate, I don't think twice, this shit irrelevant, that's why everywhere you go you see me in it, cause I know talk is cheap and you ain't got no more minutes. Prepaid, PB made, can't touch me. See me in 7 sign hopping out with black scullies, black Timbos, black jeans and black jack, black on black crime riding, pulling guns from the lining, and clips when you shining, take it all and then some. When y'all niggas lose some, we win some. That's the outcome, never outdone. Murder one, cut it out, son. Leave your frame numb like cocaine on your gums. We stick to our guns, came up like Big Pun. Now we hold everything from drug deals to number runs. Control the neighborhood income. When my income, retaliation time when my men come. Pin them, shoot the house up for the lump sum. Have your ass dialing 911. It don't matter. Batter.
Stay gully for a pound for you jerks. Who the king? Got poetic, leave your crown in the dirt. Gangsta mentality, mass niggas clowning your work. Who reckons you bought this close to this profound with a verse? Fuck 'em, I wrecked too many men. You is death upon 7 pussy, kill 'em then. I flash the tech niggas jet like Chad Pennington. I ain't impressed with the ice, so what you living in? Run the Benjamins right now. Your joints burn slow like White Owls. I'm spontaneous combustion in the booth. Dead eye.
Big shouts out to Big Beto from DSR, down south rollers from NOLA to the ATL. Yes, sir. We appreciate you guys coming up to the ATL for today. Shouts out down south rollers.
Roll for me. Roll for me.
Yeah. He backed up. AG. Oh, he's black. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. You held it down for me. You rolled for me. You helped me make it when the world was shitting me, dissing me. You pulled me through the storm, and now I'm doing well. My pockets swell. I'm staying on my grind. Just wanna say thank you. Just wanna say thank you.
Hey yo, I want you to connect with me. Turn the book of our lives to the same page. Keep it real, never meant for us to change ways. Break up, make up, all in the same day. You're right between my arms is where your frame lay. We cuddle like we freezing, piss knowing I hustle nights and weekends. Like the Nets tell, loving I sets well. I hope I don't hit jail before the CD and cassette. Yeah, yes ma'am, I notice when your hair done. And when you're mad, I know you down for a fair one. Like you can beat me. Your apple bottoms and BCBG. Open toes keep me feeling freaky. I got a chick that understands me. From the block to a night at the Grammy. And whatever life hands me, you dare trust me. When I'm writing, you roll my Dutchess. When I'm broke, you my crutches.
You down for me, you roll for me. Down for me. Help me make it. Help me make it. Shitting me, dissing me. You pulled me through the storm. Yes, you and now I'm doing well. My pockets swell. I swear. Just wanna say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey man, you got me jumping out of my shit. Soon as you touch me, you such a turn on. When you turn on, you trust me. You touch them spots that need attention. All nighter without mention. Massage me to relieve the tension. You know a nigga stress. Blunt roll when I come to your rest. Hold me down. You got a nigga back in war. Used to tell me how she used to sling crack before. Said it was better than stripping. Mommy is hell in the kitchen with chinky eyed eating sesame chicken. I feel it when you bust. I ain't afraid to go down. And we don't fuck with niggas, so we stays out of town. You might catch us in NY or out in Myrtle Beach any weekend other than bike.
I know, right? What's up, big dog? I'm good, man. I'm good.
That's what's up. That's what's up. Want a bang balloon? Want a bang balloon?
Let me show you how I lean like a troll. Lay back, bounce in the cut. When we do a dance, I be doing like that.
Shouts out to her for bringing me that little sample. Picosos Locos, Bill Designs, Lisa Lawyers, Spokes and Bows, J&H, Tacos El Cochi, Crazy Cones, La Toxica, Lowrider Magazine. Shouts out to Lowrider Magazine. So they're gonna have their show next year in 2024, Tampa, Florida, Friday, April 12th. Load-in will be Saturday, April 13th, Sunday.
You ain't said nothing but a word.
Yes, again at 1:30 we will have a wrestling exhibition brought to you by Nesson Production. Yeah, another big birthday shout out to Jamie Dearman over there at the pop-up shop with the RC Lowrider cars. With the RC cars. He got some Lowriders, he got some other custom ones. Big shouts out to him. Y'all make sure y'all check him out. Pop-up shop, he's got an orange sign. He's got a couple RCs out there. He's got some real nice ones, man. I know you've seen him on other shows before. Y'all make sure y'all check him out. Give him a nice...